Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Aliya Rahayu. I am from class 4A. On this occasion, I will discuss with you about the topic is phonology. So, the first is phonology. Phonology is the core field that encompasses the discipline of linguistics, which is defined as the scientific study of language structure. A very broad explanation is that phonology is the study of the sound structure in a language. And on the other hand, phonology is the functional classification of the sounds of the particular language. It is a system of sounds by means of which serve as the building blocks for the higher linguistic levels. The second is phonetic. Phonetics refers to the study and representation of speech sounds, and they are physically produced and heard. It deals with how sounds are articulated, transmitted, and perceived. Regardless their function in a particular language, phonetics focus on the actual sound waves and movements of the speech organ rather than the abstract system of sounds. And the second is phone. A phone is the smallest unit of sounds in speech. Regardless of its role in a particular language, it represents any distinct speech sound that can be physically produced, whether or not it changes the meaning of a word. Phones are written in square brackets, such as P, T, or R, and are studied in phonetics. Is phoneme. Phoneme is the smallest unit of sounds in a language that can distinguish one word from another. Phoneme is one language are not necessarily phonemes in another. It is possible to distinguish phonemes not just in the way they are pronounced, but also in their relative length. So the last is allophone. An allophone is a specific pronunciation of phonemes, which is an abstract unit in a language sound system. For example, in English, the phoneme I was two allophones, clear A at the beginning of word. For example, lit and dark plus at the end, ig dels. These variations do not change the meaning of words, so they are not distinctive. Since I and plus never appear in the same syllable position, they are complementary distribution. Other sounds like different pronunciation of R in English also do not create meanings difference. Allophones can occur due to syllable position like in English or due to surrounding sounds like in German where X and C appear based on the preceding vowels.